break down my door. What is it? Now I want to collect the money from him before he squanders it. You want to break my door because of money? So money is more important to both of you than your sister, who is missing. Huh? I don't blame any of you. How do I get these people? Eh? How do I get to see these people so that they will bring my daughter's revenge? Mama, can you please stop lamenting? Stop! We will definitely find Waka. Will you shut up? If you want to find Waka go dead or alive. I want to see my daughter. Find her! It is your sister's fault. If he had not raped his sister and impregnated her, I wouldn't have pushed her into marrying that wretched idiot. Now he has killed my daughter for me. Oscar, you better come out! Oscar, come out! Oscar! Open this door! Where is the money? Hey! Oscar, where is the money? Don't touch me. Oscar, where? Oscar, give me the money. Don't touch me. Ow, ow. Oscar, give me that money. Give me that money. Give me that money. Give me that money. It's your money. One it back!
Relax. Hey. Oh. Relax. Doctor, where is Wakego? Where is Wakego?
Just calm down.
Oh, where am I? Obiora, what are you doing here? Where is Maka?
Calm down, Buchi. Okay, just calm down, please. Calm down.
What's going on?
Buchi, just calm down, okay? Please, just calm down, okay? Maka will be fine wherever she is.
Please call Maka for me.
Buchi, please, just calm down, okay? I'll call her. What's important now is your health, okay? You need to regain your health, okay? Please. Please.
Good morning, my love. Good morning. How was your night?
Good morning. Oh, who are you?
Well, you are home. Do you want anything to eat? Hmm?
Where am I?
Well, you are home, my love. You are home. Huh? Are you ready to eat yet?
Obim, what is my name?
Well, I am not surprised. My wife had an accident that made her almost lose her memory. But it's okay. I thank God that I was able to find you early enough. Okay?
So what is my name?
Oledo, my love. Enough of all these questions, okay? Right. This, I want you to just, it's okay. Just take this. Take it. Drink. It will help facilitate the process of your food recovery. Okay? Drink. What a master stroke.
It's bitter.
Don't worry, it's for the best. It's okay, it's okay. Let me... This one will just finish the whole work.
You can't sleep now.
Don't worry, don't worry.
Welcome to my humble abode.
Obio, Chelogodi. So you built this big house?
Well, one of them.
One of them. They was you could put a good in eh?
Oh, it's all God. It's all
Obi,
God.
this is wonderful. This is good.
Thank you.
Look at Obio. Wow. I'm no more now.
All right, let's go inside. It's freshen up.
Obi.
Gucci, my man.
Obi, your house is good.
Thank you.
Wow.
Sorry.
Ezigbo on your show.
It's my house, yeah. So, welcome.
What is happening? What is happening? I'm even talking about what I saw outside. I don't even know that inside is wonderful.
Yeah.
Oh, you You built this mansion and you're living in it all alone.
Yeah, the two go now. The house was my own, okay? Used to be my own, but right now you're here. So it's our house. By the way, so tell me what really happened? What makes it?
You see, when my parents and my sister died...
Oh, sorry. Pardon my manners. What do I get for you?
No. Hey, let's finish talking now. You said it's our house, so...
Alright.
I'm not rushing to anywhere.
Let's go ahead.
So, as I was saying, when my parents died, and my sister, I had no one to be with, so I had to sell all that I have to make sure that I marry Nwakego.
What is it? Why is your face like this?
Where are my clothes?
You can always wear mine. As a husband, as a matter of fact, I take pleasure in having you wear my
But
clothes.
that's not what I'm talking about. I can't find any of the cooking utensils in the kitchen. I can't find my clothes. I can't find any of my belongings. Where are they? Is that something you're not telling me?
All this is as a result of the incident.
Oh, please don't tell me that, my love. Don't say that to me. I'm not a child. I'm not daft. Which incident? Which stupid accident? Which incident are you talking about? That will suddenly come to this house, disappear my clothes, disappear the kitchen utensils, every belongings of mine. Or the possible.
You know what? Let's don't just go there, okay? Listen, let's forget about the explanations on what happened and what did not happen. As a matter of fact, you're getting well and getting back on your feet is my priority.
No, I am the victim here. I deserve to know everything that happened.
Okay. The house was raided by armed robbers in my absence. They beat you up and then carted away with everything in the house. They took everything away and they raped you. That was the details I didn't want to be. Please, don't break down.
Really, please, they raped me. They raped me. They raped me. God. Are you sure I'm medically okay? Are you sure? Did we check? Some jobbers came to this house and raped me and you've been hiding it from me. That's not nice.
All that matters is you are alive and you are well for me.
I don't deserve this. I don't deserve this.
Stop crying.
I don't deserve this.
It's okay.
I didn't know.
I am here.
They raped me.
It's okay.
God. I'm fine now. I didn't even know I was raped.
Olam, it's okay. Please, don't break down. God, don't break down. Please.
That woman must be very wicked. In fact, she must be the devil herself. So you mean she did all this thing to you because you had no one to fight for you? Well, Buchi, I am back. You are going to have your own pound of flesh.
What do you mean by that?
She took the money you realized from selling the only piece of land you have, the only valuable you have. Well, since you did not marry her so-called daughter Nwakego again, she then refund the money to the least penny or get a collateral.
Anyway, all that are not my problem now. My problem now is to find Nwakego, my love. Right now, if I would be able to find Nwakego's corpse and give her a befitting burial, I'll be very happy. And she'll be very happy wherever she is now.
Which what are you saying? Do you listen to yourself talk? How do you intend to find someone that was involved in a car accident that was burned to ashes? How would you identify the ashes of her body? How? Moreover, both of you were preparing to get married, but never got married. Listen, Buchi. It is time for Enuma to pay for all the crimes, all the evil she did to you. And Buchi, I am going to pioneer it to the successful end. By the way, Buchi, what drink should I offer you?
My life on Zobo. I'm kidding.
Maybe I go. Champignon.
Nah, you'll be tried though. See your house. Wow. This is good.
Onyebuchi. Onyebuchi. So you shamelessly came here to demand for the money you deposited for Nwakego's bride price.
That's the
Okoya?
point. That's exactly the point. Deposited to who? To you. I mean, are you now a member of the Kingsmen in your own husband's family? Tell me. When has it become the obligation of a woman to collect the bride price of her own daughter? When?
You left Omenani and start doing Omenenu. You took advantage of me, knowing full well that I do not have anyone. You collected the money I got from the selling of my only valuable property. Yes. Did I come with my kinsmen to pay for her bride price? No. Did Nwakego's uncle collect the money? No. I gave you the money so you can use it properly to prepare for the things for our marriage as the custom demands.
What are you saying? Eh? What are you saying? Was Ichie not here when you came to make your intentions known to us about marrying my daughter? Was he not here? And we all unanimously agreed that the proper thing will be done on the marriage ceremony. Oh, Makanod is your tour. Makanos is your tour, May. Is that why you have come to demand for the deposit? Onyebuchi, you are not a good man. You are a very wicked man.
Enough of this, your crocodile tears. Enough of these tears. These crocodile tears will not help you in any way. Look, I may have been out of the country for a very long time, but that doesn't mean I'm stupid. That doesn't mean I'm stupid. I know very well that Mazi Ejiofor is not a member of your extended kinsmen, let alone a member of your family. We have come for the bride price. Every penny. Not a couple missing. And by the way, where is the indemnity that was supposed to be given to the deceased next of kin? Where is it?
In Dengine.
What is happening to me? What is all this desensitization all about? Oh God, what is it about myself that is hidden to myself?
My love.
I couldn't just
overcome.
Welcome, my love.
Thank you. I couldn't just help but to pause and admire your strength. I mean, look at... How are you, my love?
I'm just here. I mean, who would be happy to hear that she was raped and beaten to an unconsciousness? It's not easy. It's not
okay.
easy to understand and live in.
It's okay. You'll be fine. At least I am by your side. Now, guess what?
What?
I stopped over at the market and then got you some beautiful gowns.
Oh, you did?
Yes.
That's so thoughtful.
Beautiful. In fact, this is the one I love most. Look at it.
My love. You're welcome. You're welcome. How did you go today?
Save other unnecessary distractions, yeah? My day was fine.
I brought something for you. Food. Something sumptuous, delicious.
You know, they say no food for a lazy man. But it's not applicable for someone whose in-law is into restaurant business.
But you're not a lazy man, my love.
Anyway, based on what happened at home, what's the next? What's our next plan of action?
You know my family. They can't wait to hear that I'm getting married to anyone as long as he's a man. They want the reproach of incest taken away from our family. You know how religiously sanctimonious my mother can be? Yes, so she would do anything within her powers to preserve her Christian faith.
Then let's start planning for our wedding already. I can do anything possible to keep you as my wife forever. Then we'll have to start planning for our marriage.
But you do not have the money for such absolution.
I can do whatever I can do to keep you. I can sell off my land.
No. My love, you would do no such thing. That's the only thing you have left. I wouldn't want you to sell it.
I can't hold on to that land when I can sell it off and build our future. Our future together is bright.
I love you, Buchi. All I'm thinking right now is how I'm going to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you.
No amount of money spent on love is too much. I am going to make you proud. Our wedding is going to be celebrated in a grand style.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I'm so grateful to have you. I love you. Stop! Let me continue with what I was doing before you came back. So you have to go and eat your food.
No, let me watch you do this.
Don't worry, go and eat. Okay, let me get the food.
This is cool.
I know these clothes. I've worn these clothes before. Yes! This is not the first time I'm seeing these clothes. I've worn it before.
Yes, of course, you have worn it before. You see, you had the exact kind of... In fact, you had this kind of gown exactly like this before the invasion of the armed robbers, and when they carted away with everything, including all your clothes, I decided to go to the market to get some, and then I saw this one. I knew you used to love this particular gown. That was why I decided to get it again. I know you like it.
Yes, I like it.
My love, just go through these other ones. I'm very certain you love. If by anyone you don't like, tell me. I'll return it and get another one. Check them. I'm very certain they are your size. I know you used to love this one. That was why I had to buy the same time.
Hey. Look, I'm not cut out for this your crocodile tears. I'm not cut out for these tears. By the time we get to the police station, you will explain to us what happened to your daughter and the money Buchia gave to you.
Hey!
It's a lie! You are not taking my mother to the police station. It's not my mother's fault.
So where is the money?
The truth is that the man who brought the money to your house today had the accident. Left the money there and drove away. When we got to your house, we did not see anybody.
Wonderful.
Nonsense. I mean, what? Look, the condition of the money is not our business. Okay, it's not our concern. Our concern here is getting back the money every dime. Buchi here gave to your mother from the land he sold. Should I give us the money now? Or let's have a collateral.
Mama, don't worry. You're not going to any place. Don't worry. You're not going anywhere.
No. I cannot accept any member of the family anymore. If they cannot provide Mwakego for me, I will not take care of the person. No marriage, no Mwakego, no marriage.
Buchi, when I said they should get us a collateral, I knew what I was doing. Okay, I knew exactly what I was doing. I knew it was going to be difficult for them to do. Listen, I just wanted them to feel the anxiety. They should enjoy the anxiety that comes with such a standing order.
Can you imagine Onyinyechu? She volunteered to marry me in replacement of her late sister, or the possible. A girl be very promiscuous. Even if they dash me Onyinyechu for free, I will never marry her, I will never take her. She's so promiscuous.
I don't care. Buchi, I don't care. Look, all I am doing is using them to buy time. Remember you told me when you had nothing, when you had no money, that woman used you as a tool. The time for recompense is now. Buchi, allow me, okay? Allow me deal with that people my own way.
My head is breaking a law. Mama, you people have just disappointed me. Why is it that I was not around when that boy Onyebuchi visited this compound? You could have come to call me.
This is not time for ranting. That which is greater than the cricket has visited the cricket. This is not time for ranting. No time for it to shed. Because that which is greater than the cricket has visited the cricket. Do you know who accompanied Onyebuchi to this place? Obiora. Which Obiora? The son of Nduka Oba. The one that returned from abroad. Go levels.
Yes, Obiora. And the thing is that he's ready to go to any extent to recover everything collected from Buchi.
Hey! Mama, have you seen the situation you brought yourself into? I knew it when I was saying this thing. It's in Nana when we born. Why you say we born while FM can confirm or you keep on tagging me with wrong statements? Have you seen what you have done to yourself? Those times that whenever I take my vegetable, my brain at the open, now wasn't FM and I confirm. You refuse to listen to me. Now you have gotten yourself into a situation that you cannot handle. I have always known that Onyebuchi has eventually joined that boy Obiora in that their evil secret cult. Mama, if they try it in anywhere around this compound, I will butcher them and bring them for you so that you use them for your soup. What kind of nonsense is that? Nah, Mua. Surely we run. I'm quite that you confirm one. Hey! Oh, lo, Igbo bia believe you. Oh, kachasị afọ. Ewo. Ewo. Hey! Odiewo. Eh? How? Makego, why? Why did you just die like this? Eh? What do I do to pay this? Where do I get the collateral? Hey!
This meal is delicious. You know, what is it? I mean, why is your face like this? You don't look happy.
How can I be happy when I know nothing about myself? How do you expect me to be happy when my identity is obscure to me? Who am I?
Listen, what else do you want to know? Eh? I am your husband, and this is your house. That is enough.
My husband. Where are my parents? Where are my siblings? Where are we? I mean, how come we've never had visitors? How come there's no friends or relative or anyone coming to this place to check on us?
Listen to me. I understand this inquisitiveness, okay? I do. But right now, what you should focus your attention on is recovery. Once you recover, then every other thing will follow. Until then, focus your attention on recovery. And then, eat. You know, you cannot prepare a sumptuous meal as this and then you don't eat. I want me to feed you.
I know there's something you're hiding from me. I can't wait for it to unravel.
I think I need to prepare her some concussion that will make her to lose her memory the more. You are such a beautiful girl and I cannot let you go. Even if I had answers to your questions, I would be very stupid to think about telling you about yourself.
Hold on. Oh yeah? Yeah! Hey! What do you want? Eh? Why are you here?
Uchi, you are not my enemy.
Neither am I your friend. You are not welcomed here.
Marry me. Make me your wife. Give me an opportunity.
Don't touch me.
Give me an opportunity to show you how much I love you.
Are you out of your senses? Eh? Son of man has nowhere to lay his head.
I don't care.
We are not them mother being have. We'll stand here and say it. Stop walking into somebody's house.
The only thing that matters now is that you have joined the clique of the mighty. And the breeze of wealth hovering around your friends will soon get to you. And from you to me,
Don't
as my husband.
Listen. Listen and listen real good. Nwakego, your sister, is who I loved. I do not love you. Don't you understand? Now Nwakego is no more. I do not want to have anything to do with any of your family member. Huh? And listen, as for your brother, Osita, when I open his page, he will run away from this village.
But you need to wake up from your dreams and understand that Nwakego is gone and gone forever. Let's not allow the dead come in between us, sweetheart.
Come on, come on, stay here. This is not Telemundo. We are acting here. Stay and talk whatever you want to say.
Nothing more to say but to say hello to my husband.
Out. Tolodo. Leave this place. You want me to say it in French? Vous ne pas.
Would you come and give
me? Vous ne pas. Igbo know French, you know. Also, what he can master. The power. Idiot. When you need to say that.
I overheard everything you two were saying. And look, you don't have to be angry at every slightest provocation, okay? Here's what we'll do. We'll keep pushing until they make any slightest mistake, then we strike.
Why is Onyechi disturbing me? Why is she not giving up on wanting to have me?
Maybe because she was meant for you after all. Or maybe Nwakego left so that she can come in. I'll be inside.
Which time was it?
She is beginning to regain her full consciousness, and that is not good for me at all. Let me give her something that will desensitize her the more.
love.
Take this.
What is this for?
Just drink. It's medicine for your recovery. It will facilitate it.
I'm feeling so nauseous about these herbs.
I know. But it's for your good. Hmm?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Drink it. Let me return this one. What's the meaning of this? Yeah? Ogini?
Onebuchi, show some respect.
To who?
Is
it your business? Yeah?
How can you be bringing different sizes of girls into this home in my presence?
That's who are you? Eh? Are you the one to tell me how to live my life? Oh, you want to show me how to live my life? Who the hell are you? No, tell me. I'm a man and I'm entitled to marry as many wives as I want. Do you understand? So,
but you're not saying you belong to me, oh. You are mine and mine alone. You are mine and mine alone. Yeah, Gabun.
You know my annoyance. You're too fine. So get out. Yeah?
It's all for you.
Only
now.
You. Yeah? Mommy, water. Telemundo. Go, Joe.
I can't go now.
Yeah? Can you imagine? Yeah? Only you. Oh God, what is this?
Pretending not to hear me with this your two tiny legs. Husband snatcher. Awusu. Obanje. You are pretending not to hear me with this your two tiny legs. Opuya, what were you doing with my man?
Did I just hear you say, your man?
Yes, you heard right.
Your man. Oh, I never knew you've become so shameless. Look at this shameless pig. Now, let me ask you. When did you and Buchi do your traditional marriage that we did not hear or know about? When? Tell me.
Did you call me a pig?
Yes.
Do you know what you are? You are a very cheap ashawo. From a very cursed family. Useless thing, because of this okleka you are wearing, you feel you can talk to me anyhow, okay? I am not here to exchange words with you. I am only here to warn you to stay clear, my man. Stay off Buchi. Because the next time I will come to warn you, you will understand that I am not a preacher of love. Madokase.
I see. You are lying. You lie. You lie, Onyinye. You know what? I am not going to stay away from Buchi. I will not stop being around Buchi. Never. I will keep staying around him until he sends you and your miserable self out of his house. Yes, until he sends you into the dustbin where you belong. Yes.
Hey! About miserable. Enunana, she called me miserable. She called miserable. Are you mad?
I want to return back to Europe. Okay, I want to go back so that I can prepare your invitation letter. But before I go, I want to see my friend Philmond, okay? So that he can assist you in preparing your documents from here.
So you're saying that I'm going to be traveling with you to Poiison?
Exactly, Buchi. Look, Obodo is a land of opportunities. Great and beautiful opportunities. Come on, Buchi, you're not doing anything here. Okay? You're just whiling away your time here. You need to be there.
And what happens to this house?
Well, you'll be staying here. The house automatically becomes yours. Okay? When I return back to Europe, I will finish the other project, the bigger one.
My God. Abira, thank you so much. May God bless you.
Amen.
I really appreciate it. I am so grateful. Thank you so much.
And thank you too, Buchi. Thank you very much. I mean, look at me today. If not for the brotherly sacrifice, I wouldn't have been here. Perhaps I would still be in the village, running around, you know.
I know.
Come on, of course, I should. You give up your slot for me, you know. I traveled to the States. Come on, would you look at me?
Thank you.
God bless you.
God will always suffocate you with blessings.
God bless you too.
Hi.
You're a good person. You have a good heart. I mean, there's nothing I would do for you that will be enough. Come on, Buchi, you're a good person.
What's the meaning of this? No, what is going on?
I brought your food.
And how many times have I warned you to stop cooking for me? You want to poison me? Do you want to poison me? I'm talking, you're still dropping it.
Onyebuchi, I am your wife. Allow me to perform my wifely duties for you. Onna.
You're whose wife? Did I marry you? Did I pay your bride price? See, I'm allowing you to stay here just because I'm waiting for your people to bring the money I paid on Nwakego's head. And nothing more. In fact, your stay here is, I think, You've overstayed your welcome. You have to leave now. You've overstayed your welcome. You have to leave now. You want me to push you? You're not trying to poison. See, calm
down. Come on.